Hello everyone. In this video, the author who is remodeling an old folk house experienced so far. Problems with old folk houses. Inconvenience to life. I will talk about such things. Then, please enjoy yourself. The problem of old folk houses that are difficult to live in. Cold. Currently, the mainstream homes in Japan are. It is a highly insulated and airtight house. It is difficult for heat to escape, and it is difficult for the heat and cold outside to be transmitted. In comparison, old Japanese houses, the heat easily escapes, and the heat and cold outside are easily transmitted. In other words, it's very cold. I didn't use any insulation. In the summer, it is cool and comfortable in the shade when the wind passes through. It also extends the life of the building. However, the cold suppresses human activity. I want to live in a warm house. Improvement is absolutely necessary. While seeking a feeling of openness on the second floor, I want to spend a warm and comfortable time in a large space. Is it possible to achieve both? Because there was no warmth. There was a kotatsu in Japan. Furniture that warms the heat source under the knees. The whole room doesn't get warm. It is very warm from the waist down. Kotatsu were found in most homes decades ago. At the same time, I have suppressed the activities of Japanese people. Warmth and happiness are often said. However, in the current busy way of life, kotatsu sometimes gets in the way. Moisture builds up. The life of the house itself is short. It also has the drawback of about 50 years. Because it makes me sleepy. There is also the issue of which one to prioritize. In that sense, I want to improve my home. However, a highly airtight and highly insulated house. I want to make a reform that combines the good points. The old house is also well made. To do so, we plan to do the following. Construction of insulation, construction of floor heating. New changes in windows and doors, raised floors. Taking in lights, repairing walls. It is directly linked to the quality of life. I am looking forward to seeing what kind of renovation it will be. What did you think? There are many other problems that old folk houses have. Like a temple in Kyoto. The old wooden building is very nice. But everyone who lives. I am not training. For ordinary people to live. We must improve so that we can live comfortably. We will continue to upload videos related to old folk houses. Next time we look forward to